Hey guys, it's Emma here. Um, yeah, it's the 21st of February. I'm sorry I haven't had posted for a long time. I got my laptop taken away. I just haven't had a chance. So, yeah, I got bangs again, and my hair is still short. Yeah. Today's my brother's birthday. I'm getting ready for his birthday party at Yoshino. Okay, so as you hear in the back, it's Never Say Never by Justin Bieber featuring Jaden Smith, I think. Yeah, on Saturday I saw the Bieber movie. Best movie ever. My dad is a Bieber fan now. Kind of scary though. Oh, I got a manicure for Justin Bieber. It's blue with purple sparkles, so nice purple. So yeah, he won't get all my essays because I'm not using my new camera. I using a different password. Dope for your YouTube password. I'm always saying it, so yeah. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm just saying, watch the Bieber movie. So good. I was not a Bieber fan, and no, I am. No, I'm not. Not really. Um, but yeah, subscribe, leave comment on what you want me to do next. Trust me, I might have ideas here. As you can see on this one. What? But seriously. Brought to you by Clean, CoverGirl Clean Makeup.